Guys, we just had a crazy blizzard, and it was like 2 feet up. That's what the newsman said. And guys, I'm gonna show you my house, what happened, what the blizzard caused. So this is what happened. I shoveled yesterday so much. Guys, it's like up to almost my knee. Like my knee's right here. It smells right here. Let me see if I can pick some up. Throw it at you guys. I'm not gonna do that. And then I did that with a broom. Don't know why. That's what happened. I guess they already got the sidewalks good now. You can see let me see if I can get a zoom in right here. No, I can't get a zoom in. But they're cleaning a school over there. Good luck with that. I'm not going to school either way tomorrow because, first, I'm stuck. I'm going to show you guys the roads. Like, guys, this is the roads. And how am I supposed to get out? See? How are we supposed to get out? This is the car I'm going to be driving next year. You can't see it, but it's a Honda 1999 stick. See, guys, I don't know which car is this. See, guys, it's like crazy. Like, some people's cars are like stuck. See? And I guess they got that good, but still, the roads are still not good. Guys, this is me. And this is the snow. This is like up to my neck. That's how bad it is. So guys, this is what happened with the blizzard. Don't want to show people's addresses. This is what happens in Pennsylvania. I'm at. If you want more content, or if you want a vlog, it's basically a vlog right here, but still, I'm gonna show you guys some more stuff. This is where I did a snow something, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So this is what happened in the snow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is the roads. This is not supposed to be here. Look at this car. Look at that car. Look, guys. Yeah, you might get the main street going, but guess what? It's not good because how are some people gonna get out to go to school? All right, I'll give them that. They made a sidewalk right here, but about the cars again. How are they supposed to do? Oh snap! I almost slept. See, guys, look at this. Look at this. I just want to be careful. I don't want to slip again. And this is what happens in the blizzard of 2016 in Pennsylvania. And I got snow on my shoes. Dang. Look at this, guys. This house is covered in snow. How are they supposed to get out? Look. How are they supposed to get out? But guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, smash that like button in the face. And if you want more content up, I will bring you more content. Sorry I haven't been putting more videos because, I've been busy watching a lot of movies lately. But this is my first vlog ever. This is the blizzard of 2016, Pennsylvania. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Jibber out.